Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to be sowing these indoors. Radish, Mooley, Kumong, F1, Thompson & Morgan. Get the instructions here. Ideal for growing in shallow soil or containers. Pure white skin and flesh with pale green crowns. Refreshing taste and mild pungency. It says there, direct sow and plant outdoors. June, July, August and September. Harvest August, September, October, November. I'm going to try these indoors. I know it's a little bit early, so we'll see how we get on, shall we? Just give you all the instructions there. So very thinly, 1 centimetre, half an inch deep. It's supposed to go 6 inches deep, so hopefully these containers here, probably 6-7 inches deep, should be enough if I fill them right to the top. So yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? Little monkey's going to give me a hand today, aren't you, monkey? Oh, look at that. Need to give him a good clean. He's got his Christmas outfit on anyway. So monkey, get ready. So what we'll do first is just get these pots filled. I'm using a peat-based compost. A peat-based compost with a little bit of feed in. This is really good airy compost. So nice and loose. I won't even tap this down because I want to get some really nice straight radishes. So that's one container done. Let's get the other one done. I'm going to do probably 3 of these. I don't want to do too many because I'm running out of space in my greenhouse. A greenhouse is never big enough. How much space you've got, you always need more, like a bit like a hoarder. It's never enough for me, the space. Get that one topped up. Just do one more. I hope everybody's had a good Christmas and a good Boxing Day. I don't know if you like me, but I am sick of eating Christmas sweets now. Mince pies, leftover ham. I bet I've put on a stone over Christmas. Right, that's the last one. Get these open, shall we? This is a variety of radish I have never grown before. I've grown in normal English, little pinky and white radishes. It says here average 100 seeds. Give them a good shake. Nice little snip across the top there. I always open them like this just so I can fold them back over and save the seeds. So that's that done. Show you these. There we go. Nice big seeds. Plenty big enough. I should get my little pen. It says here just half an inch deep. So if I put 5 in each one in the middle, should be enough, hopefully. I'm going to put one of these under night lights and the other 2 just normal and see how we get on. I think that's right. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to be growing a lot more veg this year. I'm trying to lose some weight, so healthy eating. And just 2 more in there. Once they're in like so, just go top over, that's all you need to do. And then, once I've got my seeds, all I'll do then is give it a nice couple of really tight bends over. Radish, move on. All I need to do then is just give them a little bit of water on the top, just to start the wick process. It will then wick it up from the bottom once it's in my tray over here. All I do then is in like so, leave them half an hour, then drain them and put them wherever you need to put them. Like I said, one lot's going to go under the lights and the other 2 are just going to go on top of my benches just with the sunlight, and let's see how we get on. So yeah, that's how to sow radishes, Mooley, Kumong, F1. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.